क्या करे भाई, एमफिल में एडमिशन हो चुका है एंड Hi everyone, welcome back to Mind Review. I am Sakshi Kaushik and I'm back with a new video after a very long time. मुझे पता है आप लोग जो काफ़ी वक्त से माइंड रिव्यू को फॉलो कर रहे हैं उन्हें आदत हो गई होगी कि एक महीने में एक वीडियो आ रही है एंड साक्षी बोल रही है बैक आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. क्या करे भाई, एमफिल में एडमिशन हो चुका है एंड दिस डिग्री इज genuinely taking a lot of time from my schedule. But here I am with a new video all about what is happening in MPhil in clinical psychology. तो जब मैंने अपना ये डिग्री स्टार्ट किया था around 7 or 8 months back, I promised to all of you, yes, कि मैं अपने इस डिग्री के एक्सपीरियंसेस आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगी. What exactly happens in this degree? What are the things that we are supposed to do, that we are expected to do, and how does a day look like in the life of an MPhil clinical psychology trainee? So ये वीडियो उन सभी एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए है जो MPhil clinical psychology की डिग्री के एग्जाम्स के लिए बैठने वाले हैं, इस डिग्री को परस्यू करना चाहते हैं. उन लोगों के लिए भी है जो कंफ्यूज्ड हैं अबाउट व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस डिग्री, व्हाट डू वी डू इन दिस डिग्री. सो यू माइट गेट सम अमाउंट ऑफ क्लैरिटी एंड सम अमाउंट ऑफ अ पाथवे फॉर योरसेल्फ कि क्या ये डिग्री आपके लिए है या नहीं. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Okay, so guys, I started with my MPhil in clinical psychology at IBHAS, that is in Noida, Amity University Noida campus. So वहाँ पे मैंने 7-8 months पहले अपना MPhil का डिग्री स्टार्ट किया था and my life is not the same as before, but in a good way. Now what do we do in a day? तो हमारे 5 या 6 days out of a week working होते हैं, out of which we are supposed to manage our academics as well as our clinical training. So this degree is not like जो हमारे मास्टर्स या बैचलर्स की डिग्री होती है कि कॉलेज गए, academics देखा, टीचर्स या प्रोफेसर्स के लेक्चर्स सुने and we come back at our home. It's not like that. So you do academics and you also do the professional work that you are supposed to in the field. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि 5-6 दिन हमारी working है. Out of these days, 2 days are dedicated to go to the college, attend the lectures, also give lectures in the academic setup, whether it's related to journal club, whether it's related to giving seminars on specific topics, or whether it's related to giving or attending case conferences. Yes, I'll be elaborating more on that. बाकी के जो हमारे 4-5 दिन होते हैं, they are specifically for our clinical postings. Now what do I mean by this term clinical posting? तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि हम लोग ऑन फील्ड ऑफलाइन जा रहे होते हैं कुछ ना कुछ हॉस्पिटल्स में, क्लिनिकल सेटअप्स में, wherein we are working as clinical psychologist trainee with patients every day in IPD और OPD setups. तो वहाँ पे हमारे पास रियल लाइफ केसेस आते हैं. ओवर देयर वी ऑल्सो हैव आवर सुपरवाइजर्स फ्रॉम आवर यूनिवर्सिटी इटसेल्फ along with the other staff of that particular hospital or that particular clinic. So basically एक पूरा collaborative structure होता है wherein we have the psychiatrist who is giving the medications, who is also helping us understand the significance of these medications. Then we also have at some places counseling psychologists, and then we are there as clinical psychologist trainees who are actively doing the assessments as well as taking the therapy sessions. तो एक्चुअली हम लोग करते क्या हैं उन क्लिनिकल सेटअप में? तो देखिए, MPhil as a degree is divided into 2 halves. We have MPhil first year and then MPhil second year. So हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी का जो पैटर्न जाता है, now this pattern might vary from university to university, hospital to hospital, but as per our university's pattern, the first year MPhil clinical psychology trainees are supposed to understand in depth how to take a case history, how to do mental status examination, and then actively carry out the psychological assessments. So when we first began with this journey, we all were placed and posted in different hospitals and clinical setups. Some were private setups, some were government setups. So we all keep shuffling. ठीक है, 4-5 महीने में वो shuffle होता है. So at one place we get good 4 to 5 months worth of our time and to learn that and gain that exposure. So over there, as soon as the patient comes, we try to take their case history, in-depth history, to understand what are the concerns, to understand their pre-morbid personality as well. फिर हम लोग एक्टिवली उनका मेंटल स्टेटस एग्जामिनेशन भी करते हैं ना. ये थोड़ी सी थियोरेटिकल टर्म्स हैं, जो साइकोलॉजी के स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन्हें पता होगा व्हाट आई मीन व्हेन आई से दैट. यस. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी ऑल्सो एक्टिवली कैरी आउट साइकोलॉजिकल असेसमेंट्स. तो जो हम अपने ये जो केसेस हैं, सुपरवाइजर्स जो ऑन फील्ड होते हैं उनके साथ डिस्कस करते हैं. देन वी हैव अ म्यूचुअल डिस्कशन बैक एंड फोर्थ दैट व्हाट आर द असेसमेंट्स दैट वुड हेल्प मी इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द सिचुएशन बेटर एंड ऑल्सो हेल्प मी टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द डायग्नोसिस माइट बी ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर situation or the symptoms that a patient is experiencing or that a person who has come to the setup is experiencing. So accordingly we do certain assessments. अब कुछ assessments हमारे objective rating scales होते हैं, जो patients हैं वो खुद उनको fill out करते हैं. उनके साथ जो informants आते हैं उनसे भी हम information gather करते हैं. Some of them are also clinician rated scales, जहाँ पे हम लोग उनका actively कुछ questions पूछ के rate करते हैं. Then we also have projective tests, like we get to do Rorschach, we get to do thematic apperception test. With some patients जहाँ पे requirement है, we also get to do neuropsychological batteries to test the cognitive functions as well. If there are child cases and if there is need to check the IQ, we also get to do that. If there is any need for understanding, or ruling out specific learning disability, we also get to do the NIMHANS SLD that we have. So there are a variety of assessments that we have been exposed to till date, yet there are a lot that we have to do. तो बेसिकली ये जो 4-5 दिन हमारे क्लिनिकल पोस्टिंग में होते हैं एज अ फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ एमफिल क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी ट्रेनी, हमारे को एक केस हिस्ट्री लेना होता है, मेंटल स्टेटस एग्जामिनेशन लेना होता है, इन डेप्थ अंडरस्टैंड करना होता है दैट व्हाट आर द इश्यूज दैट अ पर्सन इज फेसिंग, वेयर आर दोज इश्यूज अराइजिंग फ्रॉम. देन वी डिस्कस दिस विद आवर सुपरवाइजर्स, दे गिव इन सर्टेन इनपुट्स एंड इनसाइट्स, वी कंडक्ट आवर असेसमेंट्स. Based on all of these things, we prepare a report that we also share with the patient, and we have a proper report discussion session with them, so that a person who has invested that amount of time in going through all of these assessments, they should also understand कि आखिरकार इन assessment से निकला क्या, पता क्या चला. So there is a kind of psychoeducation also that happens during the report discussion session itself. अब जो हमारे सीनियर्स हैं, द पीपल हु आर इन सेकेंड ईयर राइट नाउ, अ मैटर ऑफ 3-4 months, and I would be there too. So they are actively conducting their therapy sessions. ठीक है. So if there is need, they also do the assessments. But then अभी उनका जो पूरा 1 साल है, that is completely devoted to carrying out and giving therapy sessions and learning the different modalities of therapy. So we are not just restricted कि CBT popular है बस उसी से restrict होके रह जाओ. No, we have people who are practicing psychodynamic orientation. We have people practicing dialectical behavior therapy, schema therapy, interpersonal therapy, IFT as well. So there are a lot of people who are trying out their own specific things whichever suits best for the patient. So a kind of an eclectic approach is also being followed by them. So this is what is expected in the clinical setup. Now coming to the academic setup, wherein after having that professional role, we have to quickly jump back to being a student again. सो कॉलेज में आके ये जो 2 या 3 दिन कॉलेज में जाने के होते हैं, वहाँ पे हमारी होती है academic learning, wherein everyone, whether it's from MPhil first year batch or second year batch or the other courses that are running in this field of psychology, like professional diploma in clinical psychology or doctorate of psychology, that is PsyD, all of us are sitting together and we have certain academic works. So it is already scheduled that some or the other person from any of these batches will either be having a journal club wherein they pick out a specific research article, that is a randomized controlled study कि किसी एक particular therapy की कितनी efficacy निकल के आई है disorders में. So we have an active discussion on the recent developments that are happening in our field. Then we also have seminars on specific topic. Now these seminars are very in-depth. ठीक है, जो एक टॉपिक लिया है, फॉर इंस्टेंस द टॉपिक फॉर माय सेमिनार वाज ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव एंड रिलेटेड डिसऑर्डर्स. So we had a very in-depth discussion of this entire topic, the management, the etiological factors, the features, the epidemiology, everything was discussed from end to end, and there was an active, participation happening to and fro. Then we also have our case conferences. So we pick out one of the cases from each of our clinical posting, जो हमें थोड़ा सा टफ, थोड़ा सा ऐसा लगता है जिस पे डिस्कशन होना सबके लिए ज़रूरी है. वी नीड टू गेट सर्टन इनपुट्स फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर केस. सो वी पिक आउट दैट केस, वी प्रेजेंट दैट इन इट्स इंटायर डेप्थ, एंड देन वी हैव दिस इंटायर डिस्कशन अराउंड what the diagnosis should be, what should be the differential diagnosis, what should be the assessments that can be done, the results of these assessments, how can we manage the condition, what are the good prognostic factors, the bad prognostic factors. So this entire discussion happens on those days of colleges. So a lot of people think that MPhil in clinical psychology might be just another degree like masters, like bachelors, but absolutely not. It's a degree wherein you are required to be a professional as well as a student. So you are working on both of these roles at the same time. And naturally, kabhi demanding ho jata hai, because you are simultaneously learning a lot of things, you are interacting with your peers, your supervisors, preparing for your academics. Then you also have your examinations happening every 4 or 5 months. So you have to keep on doing all of these things together all at once. तो कभी कभी ज़रूर demanding होता है. At times it feels like ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ. But then there are times when you are going to your OPD setup or your IPD setup, you are actively doing the work that you always wanted to do, interacting with the people, understanding their concerns, understanding their family's point of view. See, what in these 6 to 7 months I have also gathered, that every person who is coming to me at the OPD, for me it's just a particular case कि अच्छा एक patient आया, उसने अपना कुछ बताया, and then the patient goes back. So for me it might be just 1 or 1.5 hours that I'm spending with that person and looking at that person as a case. But for that person, it's their entire life. जो चीज़ें उनके साथ हो रही हैं, जो चीज़ें उनको डिस्टर्ब कर रही हैं, वो उनकी लाइफ का एक पूरा हिस्सा बन चुका है. Their family is having probably certain disturbances because of that. They themselves are having certain disturbances because of that. So for them, it's a very big deal. And that is what actually motivates me on those days when I feel a little low. That yaar, yahi to kaam hai. This is something that is giving joy to me and I'm enjoying doing that. Of course, हर दिन ऐसा फील नहीं हो सकता. So there are days wherein I dump in a tub of ice cream or chocolates and I just do this kind of catharsis in front of my family or my friends that this is happening. But then there are your supervisors, there are your family members, there are your friends who are there to back you up, and above all there is this work that you again go back with that enthusiasm and begin doing that again. तो अगर किसी को भी इस पॉइंट पे कोई भी डाउट है रिलेटेड टू व्हाट इज एमफिल इन क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी, आई होप दिस वीडियो माइट हैव हेल्प यू इन सम और द अदर वे इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि इस डिग्री में एक्चुअली होता क्या है. एटलीस्ट दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एट दिस यूनिवर्सिटी. आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स हु आर परस्यूइंग दिस कोर्स एट अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज एज वेल. सिमिलर थिंग्स ही वहाँ पे भी हो रही हैं बिकॉज दिस इज अ डिग्री दैट हैज एकेडमिक कॉम्पोनेंट एज वेल एज योर क्लिनिकल ट्रेनिंग कॉम्पोनेंट. तो इन दोनों का मिक्सचर है. नाउ सी फॉर योरसेल्फ इफ इट वर्क्स टू यू. मोस्ट वेलकम टू दिस फील्ड एंड आई होप that you all have gathered something from this video today. If so, then make sure to subscribe to this channel of Mind Review. There are a lot of other videos related to psychology and loads of other videos will also be coming related to these entrances, how to prepare for these entrances, the career options in psychology and a lot of other things. Till then, have a very good day, take care and bye-bye.